What's up, bestie? So today I'm going to try to recreate this sweetie look, and I'm using my Anicekiss blonde wig. They sent me a bust down. Thank you, Anice girl. And we just gonna see what it give. Like, y'all know I hate dyeing hair. I went to Sally's. I bought me some platinum toner. I got me some light skin blue and some developer. I said, I'm gonna throw it in this bucket and we gonna see what we get. And I feel like it was close. It wasn't all the way exactly spot on. I feel like at the end of the day, it could have been a little bit more on the teal side. But bitch, it's still cute. It's giving me like Ice Cube vibes. She like Ice Cube, no shade. Um, y'all know we love to do glueless on Gabby. She rarely likes to do like glue installs. So we was like, bitch, let's just do it glueless. I use one layer of the liquid gold and then I go on top with some gold spray on top of that lace and I tie it down and the wig is on. And that's the formula. Like, it's so simple. It's not too much going on. And it's no shade, period. Now I'm adding some layers because y'all know I can't do no curls without at least a little bit of layers, especially the body curls, bitch. Go in and throw some layers in that hair, bitch. Some of y'all clients be telling y'all they don't want you to cut their bundles. Well, bitch, you finna get your hair straight, period. Y'all know I love do my curls, how I do my curls. I switch back and forth from the same 3 curler irons. Okay. Now with colored hair, it is okay to overplug. I went back in and plucked some more, but it's like if you look too fast, it'll look like the hairline is thick. So don't be scared to pluck when you're doing colored hair. Like, bitch, if anything, you could pluck more than you would with black hair. No shade. I did hairspray baby hairs, and this is the final look. Tell me what it's giving for y'all. Like, are y'all feeling this color on Gabby? It's different. She don't be wearing crazy colors like this, like that. So y'all let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's really no shade.